Becoming a dad is, honestly, one of life's most exciting yet overwhelming experiences. While, much attention is given to pregnancy and birth, the postpartum period is just as crucial, for both mom and baby. As a first-time dad, your role in those first few weeks is really vital. This script will help you create a post-birth plan to make sure your partner gets the rest she needs while you both adjust to parenthood. So what is a post-birth plan? Well, a post-birth plan is basically a strategy for managing the first few weeks after childbirth. It covers things like who will help at home, maybe family, friends, or even professionals, how night duties will be shared, postpartum care for your partner including rest, recovery, and emotional support, and of course, baby care responsibilities like feeding, diaper changes, and soothing. Unlike a birth plan, which focuses on labor, this plan is all about making sure you both have a smooth transition once you bring the baby home. So, why do you need a post-birth plan? The postpartum period is honestly physically and emotionally demanding for new moms. Without support, she may struggle with healing, exhaustion, or even postpartum depression. You might find yourself feeling overwhelmed, trying to juggle baby care, work, and household tasks. And miscommunication can lead to stress and frustration. A clear plan really helps reduce anxiety for both parents, ensures mom gets proper rest and recovery, and maybe most importantly, strengthens your bond as a team. What happens without a plan? Well, without preparation, sleep deprivation can lead to irritability and burnout. Mom's recovery slows down if she's overworked, which means there's an increased risk of complications. And honestly, resentment can build if one parent feels like they're doing more than the other. So Mark, a first-time dad, really thought he could handle the nights alone while his wife recovered. But after about a week of sleepless nights, they were both just totally exhausted and honestly, arguing all the time. It wasn't until Mark's mom stepped in to help that they finally found some balance. Alright, so who will help at home? Think about family or friends. Maybe someone can stay for a few days, like your mom, sister, or a close friend. You could also consider a postpartum doula, who is a professional that assists with newborn care and recovery. And don't forget about meal trains. Friends can sign up to bring meals so you don't have to worry about cooking. Now let's talk about sharing night duties. If your partner is breastfeeding, she'll handle the feeding, but you can definitely help out with burping, diaper changes, and soothing the baby. If you're bottle feeding, you can take shifts, like maybe you handle midnight to 3 a.m. and she takes 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. And hey, on the weekends, give mom some relief by letting her sleep in while you take care of the baby in the morning. So, when it comes to postpartum care for your partner, it's super important to encourage rest. She really shouldn't be lifting heavy things or overexerting herself at all. Also, help out with pain relief, whether that's using heating pads or giving medications as advised by the doctor, and, make sure to keep an eye on her emotions because postpartum depression is real and can happen to anyone. Just ask how she's feeling, check in with her, and be there to support her every step of the way. So, here are a few tips for all you first-time dads out there. Communicate openly. Ask your partner what she needs. Take paternity leave if possible, even if it's just a few days, because it really does make a difference. Don't try to be a hero. Accept help when it's offered. And honestly, be patient. Hormones, pain, and sleep deprivation are tough for everyone. The first weeks with a newborn are, chaotic but also so precious. By creating a post-birth plan, you're making sure your partner heals properly, your baby gets the best care, and you both start parenthood as a strong team. Alright, your mission, Dad. Discuss the plan before birth, set up support systems early, and most importantly, be present, patient, and proactive. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more insights on your fatherhood and join us on this A to Z journey. See you in the next video where we'll dive into quality time before baby arrives. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for the next video. Like and share this video with your friends if you find it helpful. Also, jump into the comments and share your opinions on post-birth plan. This isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving as a new family. So hey, sit down with your partner tonight and draft your post-birth plan together.